Maca powder. The perfect food for hormone imbalance, anxiety, energy, sleep, and libido. Maca comes from the brassica mustard family. Similar to turnip, cabbage, and watercress. This superfood was first used by the Incans who grew this hardy plant high in the Andes Mountains of Peru. The Incans valued maca, which they commonly called Peruvian ginseng, for its incredible sources of vitamins, minerals, proteins, fiber, carbohydrates, tannins and amino acids, as well as a number of complex alkaloids, and up to 20 essential fatty acids, along with numerous other phytochemicals. I really think that you'll be amazed when we tell you that the Incan imperial warriors regularly ate maca prior to battle to help increase their fighting spirit, strength, stamina, and libido. Although relatively small, this vegetable was so potent that its use was restricted mainly to royalty and their court. Incans respected the value of this plant so much they even used it as a form of payment. Even today, many athletes and even bodybuilders still use maca to help build their strength, stamina and overall performance. But, ladies and gentlemen, you should know that maca has another, lesser-known benefit that researchers are only beginning to understand. This potent vegetable has the ability to balance hormones, which makes it invaluable for both men and women in various stages of life. According to the experts, maca is especially good for women during menopause. Maca for women regulates hormonal imbalances. First of all, you should know that maca is considered to be an endocrine adaptogen. Maca doesn't contain any hormones, but it does contain the necessary nutrients to support normal hormone production within your body. One of these nutrients is dim-diindolylmethane, a phytochemical that is found in many cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. DIM has been found in numerous studies to greatly improve hormone balance, both estrogen and testosterone, in both men and women. Maca is also effective against some forms of cancer. A recent study has revealed that maca can help to normalize hormone levels by working with your endocrine system. For women, maca can be a lifesaver, especially when most conventional options typically involve synthetic forms of hormones that are proven to be dangerous, even causing such things as ovarian cancer, stroke, and asthma, among other things. Bottom line, maca provides the nutrients your body needs to naturally produce its own hormones to effectively restore balance. The conventional hormone treatments introduce synthetically made chemicals that can wreak havoc on your endocrine system. Hormone regulation is vital as these substances are responsible for virtually every process in your body. Reduces symptoms of menopause. As we said, maca can help you balance your hormones, which means that it's extremely helpful for women to reduce the typical symptoms associated with menopause. A recent study has discovered that maca can help to alleviate the negative physiological and psychological symptoms experienced by women in perimenopause, such as the frequency of hot flashes, the incidence of night sweats, interrupted sleep, nervousness, depression, and heart palpitations. The lead researcher said, "It appears that maca go may act as a toner of hormonal processes, leading to alleviation of discomfort felt by perimenopausal women, hence, its potential use as non-hormonal alternative to HRT program." Another study revealed that for women, maca is able to successfully restore hormone balance. The researchers have concluded that the changes in hormone levels was accompanied by a substantially reduced feeling of discomfort associated with menopause. Unfortunately, many women complain of brain fog during menopause, which has been linked to fluctuating hormones levels. Maca can improve this type of memory loss and it's a potent neuroprotective agent, which makes it a potential treatment to help prevent or slow disease, and possibly, even in the case of injury, halt or at least slow the loss of neurons. Lowers cholesterol levels. You should know that maca is loaded with plant sterols, including sitosterol, campistrol, ergosterol, brassicasterol, and ergostadienol. According to the experts, these chemicals are essentially the equivalent of the cholesterol found in your body. These sterols help to form the cell membranes in plants. Yes, there are different types of plant sterols, but they all have a similar chemical structure and have been shown by researchers to help lower LDL bad cholesterol in humans as well as combat 3 of the most common types of cancer. Lowers glucose levels. Study has revealed that after just 2 weeks, subjects who took maca experienced significantly improved glucose tolerance, and lowered levels of glucose in their blood. Reduces high blood pressure. Study confirms maca can significantly inhibit the hypertension-relevant angiotensin I-converting enzyme ACE. Maca for women and men. Reduces prostate size. As we said, this super healthy powder is very beneficial for men as well. Study. A specific type of maca, red maca, can suppress prostatic growth and even reduce prostate size, which makes it a valuable tool for benign prostatic hyperplasia (BPH), a problem older men often face. A group of experts have revealed that maca may be as potent as finasteride, a popular drug used to treat BPH, in reducing prostate size. Increases fertility. Maca can also be a potential treatment for male infertility, especially if it is a result of lead exposure. Maca can effectively improve sperm production and motility.